loves, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial and review on the Belle Bouquet Naturals palette that I picked up from City Trends for $4. The pans in this palette are huge. As you can see, it comes with 5 beautiful colors. You have a iridescent pearly white, a deep gold, a light peach, a deep berry, and a really pretty bronzy brown. Here are the swatches. These shades are immensely pigmented and the texture is buttery smooth. When I first saw this palette, I thought it was an eyeshadow palette because of the sticker on the front, but on the price tag it has it listed as a face palette, so I thought it would be fun to see if I could incorporate the entire palette into my makeup look. The first color I'm using from the palette is this beautiful bronzy brown shade. I'm applying it in and above my crease using my Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. To keep the eyeshadows on my lid from creasing, I'm first priming with the Ruby Kisses 24-hour eyeshadow primer. Now I'm applying this beautiful berry shade to the outer 2/3 of my lid with the Aloe E124. Taking my E124 again, I'm now applying this light peachy tone shade from the inner corner and blending it into that berry shadow. Using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush, I'm taking this iridescent pearly white shade onto my brow bone. I lost the clip of me doing my eyeliner, but I used the Maybelline Curvitude. It makes it so easy to achieve a nice wing. Now I'm coating my lashes with the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Then I applied the Miss Lashes 3D Volume Lash in the style M314. Going back to that bronzy shade that I applied in the crease, I'm now taking it onto my lower lash line using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I'm lining my waterline with the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in the shade Blackest Black. It is so pigmented and creamy. I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with a mixture of that iridescent pearly shade and this rich gold shade using my Start Mini Pencil brush. Alright loves, so you know that I love a blinding inner corner highlight, and those two colors just weren't giving it to me even though I wet my brush, so I decided to use glitter instead. And the glitter I'm using is the Hard Candy Glitterati in the shade Star. It is a beautiful rose gold shade. And it's a multi-purpose liquid glitter. You can use it in your brows, on your eyes, and on your lips. It was $6 from Walmart. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I'm taking that deep berry shade again and applying it as my blush using my LA Colors blush brush. Using my Milani highlighting brush, I'm applying this really pretty gold shade to my cheekbones. While I didn't like it in the inner corner of my eye, with several layers, and I also misted my brush with my rose water spray, I got a really nice shimmery highlight. To make the glitter lip glosses, I'm going to apply Really Pop. First, I'm lining and filling in my lips with the Davis Cosmetics lip liner in the shade number 6. First, I'm applying the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Glam. It's a really pretty hot pink gloss with pink and gold glitter in it. And I'm going over that with another AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss, this time in the shade Posh, which is a rose gold gloss with flecks of pink, iridescent, and gold glitter. And to complete my makeup look, I'm setting my face with the Magic Collection Rosewater Hydrating Mist. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. Now I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the Belle Bouquet Naturals palette. Okay, loves, when it comes to the Belle Bouquet Naturals palette, of course I recommend it to you, loves. I created most of this look using this palette. It is an amazing, versatile palette. Ooh, hold on. Look at those pan sizes. So you get 5 shadow slash blush slash highlight, depending on however you want to use it. For $4, they're immensely pigmented and they're really buttery smooth to the texture. They're so soft, very easy to blend out. I'll give you another close-up of my eye, as well as my cheek. This gold is a phenomenal highlighting shade. If you're of a lighter complexion, I think this will look absolutely stunning on you. It's like a pearly AB shade. It's not really white. It's more of like an iridescent color and it's so pretty. This is a beautiful blush on me. Like, you can see the contrast between how it looks on the outer portion of my lid and how it looks on my cheeks. It's a very pretty color. I haven't tried this one, but I think this might make a cute highlight on me. Again, if you're of a lighter skin tone, this will make a beautiful light peachy tone blush for you. In terms of this dark brown right here, I swatched it and it was a little bit too shimmery for me. I didn't think it would look good as a bronzer, but again, if you have a lighter complexion and you're looking for that bronzy, like sun-kissed glow, I think this will look beautiful on you. And yes, I definitely recommend this palette. I always recommend buying or at least checking out the makeup at places like City Trends and DD's and Marshall's, because you can find some amazing deals, and this is definitely one of them, especially because it's $4. So yeah, head out to a City Trends near you and see if they have the Belle Bouquet Naturals palette. Alright, loves, as always, all of the products will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye, love!